Hi all folks, this is Max from Galaxy Nexus root.com. Today we're going to learn to put ClockworkMod recovery on your rooted Galaxy Nexus. It can be the GSM or CDMA version, the unlocked version, or the Verizon 4G LTE version. First, what you want to do is make sure you have your phone rooted. If you don't know how, I have instructions for both GSM and CDMA over at GalaxyNexusRoot.com. Follow the directions, root your phone, and when you're done rooting, we're going to put it into fast boot by turning it off. Alright, and then after it turns off, you're going to hold down the volume up and the volume down, and then hold down the power button until you get the open stomach Android logo, which will happen here. So give it another second, and you get a little beep, and there you go. And it should say unlocked at the bottom. Once you're done that, connect your micro USB to your computer, and this can be done on Mac, Windows, or Linux. Next, what you're going to do is download Galaxy Nexus recovery.zip, and you get a bunch of files. Try to put it somewhere where you can easily browse to. I put it in my C drive, or you can put it on your desktop. Next, open up a command prompt for Windows by typing CMD under start search. And for Linux or Mac, open up a terminal. If you don't know how, Google it. There's a bunch of instruction on how to do it. Now we're going to browse to the directory that we just unzip the files to. If you unzipped it to desktop, you can just type without the backslash. That's actually backslash this way. That's my Korean font. That's not a W. It's a backslash. CD backslash Galaxy Nexus recovery. If you put it into the root directory of C drive like I did, or if you're on Linux or Mac, you might have to do that, or maybe without it. Just wherever you unzipped it. Anyway, do that. Once you're in the directory, all we're going to type is fastboot. Let me see here. We're going to type fastboot flash recovery and recovery dash clockwork dash. Here, let me make this bigger. No, I can't do it. Dash Maguro dash GSM. Okay, if you have the GSM version, which is the unlocked European Asian version. If you don't have that and you have the Verizon one, do the Toro-CDMA, the file ending in. So I'm going to do the GSM since I have the unlocked GSM version, and this will flash the recovery and hit enter. And also for Mac or Linux, you'll have to enter like // and you have to use the Mac version of fastboot, and for Linux, use Linux like that. That's pretty much it. Now let me run this, and it should flash the recovery, ClockworkMod recovery for my GSM Galaxy Nexus. And if you get OK, writing OK, you're all good to go. And it says fastboot status OK down here. If you didn't get that, then you don't have the drivers installed correctly on Windows. So install drivers on your Windows. For Mac or Linux, it should work fine. So we can double check the ClockworkMod recovery is working, and this is how you get into it. Once you get into the fast boot mode, hit the volume down again, recovery mode. You see that, and then you hit the power button. Alright, and that will get you into recovery, and that's how you get it. You can always get into it. Volume up, volume down, power button, get into fast boot, hit the volume down twice, and the power button. So this is the ClockworkMod recovery. This allows you to install ROMs, backup ROMs, restore ROMs. It's an essential tool you need to flash new ROMs. So anyway, that was how to install ClockworkMod recovery on your Galaxy Nexus GSM and CDMA versions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel here at ZetoMax on YouTube, and also you can subscribe to Galaxy Nexus root.com, our email list, to stay updated on all of the updates. All right, thanks y'all, and subscribe. See y'all later.